Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy off AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and first of all, if you haven't already, you should sign in to your account or create account using your email address or phone number. When you are logged in, go to the search bar at the top of your screen, and here you can type for whatever product that you're looking for, or at the home page you can scroll here through the products, and also at the top you see some sections. So here as well, here are many sections. So basically scroll through the results, and if you found something that you're looking for and you like, tap on the product to open its details like this. So we have opened just the description of the product, and here you can see photos, maybe videos of the product, also description. Here it is, the price, shipping time, and of course reviews, and some information about the store. And here you can see product details as well at the bottom. For example, if there are any variations like I have now, you can select here size, color, or whatever. So I can choose from here, and you can tap add to cart button if you want to keep browsing like this, and this product will be added to cart, or you can press buy now button if you are ready to check out. I have opened just order confirmation page, also this is checkout page, and here you should make sure that your shipping address is correct. Right here also you can change it, or you can add a new address at the bottom. Also you can choose your delivery service, shipping method, and of course payment method. So here are many options to choose from. So payment method, and here is the summary, price that I'm going to pay, promo codes if I have one, and my shipping fee. And when everything looks good and you are ready to order, tap place order button at the bottom, and after a few seconds you will see a confirmation screen with your order number. And if I go back, I need my account, and here you can see my orders. Tap view all, and here you will see your order, details of your order. Also you can see tracking information and some updates. So that's basically how you can buy off AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.